Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you how I make my Jamaican Christmas cake, so aka rum cake, black cake, or fruit cake. So come along with me if you are interested in seeing my recipe for my Jamaican Christmas cake. So first we're gonna start off by creaming our butter, and this butter is a 454 gram butter, and this is equivalent to, I would say, 4 sticks of butter. So we're gonna start out first by creaming our butter, and this butter is at room temperature. So the butter has been whipping for a while. So to this I will add 2 cups of brown sugar. So this is 2 cups of brown sugar. So I'm gonna add this and turn it back on so it can continue to whip to cream the butter and the sugar. Okay, so I'm just creaming the butter and the sugar right now. So while this is being whipped, I am going to be working on the dry ingredients. So I'll take you along to the next step of working on the dry ingredients. So while the butter and the sugar is being creamed over on that side, so this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So to my 3 cups of all-purpose flour, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. So this is ground nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, so this is ground cinnamon, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Okay, so I will be adding this to my flour and sifting it. So I'm gonna sift this. So this is everything for my dry ingredients so far. Okay, so then after this we're gonna be doing our wet ingredients, and we're gonna add it to our creamed butter and sugar. So I'll come back to you guys once I get the wet ingredients together, because then we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our creamed butter and sugar. So now we have our creamed butter and sugar. I will be adding 7 eggs to the mix, and I'm gonna be adding them one at a time. Just taking out the eye here. They said the eye makes it raw. So normally growing up, our parents always take the eye out when you're baking cake. And we do the eggs one at a time, you guys, in order to prevent any spoiled egg from going in to the mix or any eggshells. When you do one at a time, you can easily catch any spoiled eggs, and then that won't mess up your batter. So it's safer to do it one at a time. This is very important to make sure you catch your sides, sweep it down to get all the products, all the ingredients that is stuck to the side, get it incorporated into the mix. So that everything is mixed out properly.
Laughing all the way, bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
so I'll be adding some wet ingredients, guys, or spices or liquid spices to the butter and sugar mix. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of pure almond extract.
Seated by my side, the horse was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then
so
we
that's
got
1 tablespoon of pure almond extract.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Also, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of pure lemon extract.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Also, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
And about a half a tablespoon of French vanilla extract. So we're gonna continue mixing.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Also to our mix, we will be adding a 1/4 cup of rum.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells,
And also
jingle
a
all the
1/4
way.
cup of red
Oh,
wine.
what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. two ago, I thought I'd take a ride. And soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame.
Turn it on slowly to incorporate
We got
everything.
into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey,
So now I will be adding my mixed fruits, you guys. And this mixed fruit has been soaking for like a year and a half. So I'm gonna be adding it to the mix. So this is 3 cups of mixed fruits.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun
So
it is to
now
ride and
that
sing
our
a
mixture
sleighing song tonight.
has been mixing for quite some time now, we will now go in and add our dry ingredients. So this is our flour, our nutmeg, our baking powder, salt. So we're gonna be adding it to the mix a little at a time.
The horse was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells,
So we wanna add a little at a time so it is incorporated properly.
In a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now that our mixture has been mixing for a while now, you guys, I will be adding some braised browning to the mixture. And the browning is what's gonna give it the nice dark brown color that we all know and associate with black cake or Christmas cake. So I will be adding 6 tablespoons of browning to this mixture.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride. Miss Fanny Bright was
minutes just to get it a little bit darker than what it was. So in total I put about 14 tablespoons of browning. So it's still mixing, but off camera I went ahead to oil my baking tin with some butter. So let me just move this over here. So I decided to oil the baking tin with some butter, and I'm gonna just add a little bit of flour to the tin and move it around in the tin. And what this does is to prevent the cake from sticking to the baking tin.
Or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by.
So now we're finished mixing the batter, you guys, and now it's ready to be poured. So I will be pouring it in my tin here, my baking tin. Guys, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good, and the butter tastes so good. You can eat the butter by itself, man. It's so good. Want to make sure to get everything out. So I'm just gonna tap it down to get rid of any air bubbles.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now the butter has been poured, and I have been preheating the oven on 325 degrees. So I'm gonna be baking at 325 degrees for the next hour and a half. And I also placed a water bath in the oven.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells.
So I also have a water bath inside.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So it's going to be baking, you guys, on 325 degrees for approximately an hour and a half. And once it gets to that time, I will take it out and show you guys what it looks like.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So it cracked, you guys. I ended up turning up the oven to 350, and I think that's what cracked it. So guys, the cake is all done and it looks amazing, except for the fact that I turned it up to 350 and then it started to crack. But anyways, it's still good. It's gonna be delicious. So never mind that. And in here I have a mixture of rum and red wine that I will be basting the top with. So I'm just gonna wet up the top and have this soak into it overnight. And then once it cools, I'm gonna cut into it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside.
Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
okay, so I'm gonna let it cool for a couple of hours and then I'm gonna cut into it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So guys, the cake is all done. So it has cooled for several hours. So this is what it's looking like after it has baked and has cooled. Let's try to cut into it.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a
So
one-horse
this is what
open
it's
sleigh.
looking like, you
O'er
guys.
the fields we go,
Very moist
laughing all the way.
and just
Bells
so
on bobtail,
beautiful.
making spirits bright. What
Very,
fun
very
it is
moist.
to ride and sing a sleighing song
Nice,
tonight.
rich,
Oh,
brown
jingle bells, jingle
Jamaican
all the way.
fruit cake.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
that inside?
Hey,
Oh,
jingle
it's so
bells,
beautiful.
jingle
So
all the way.
beautiful.
Oh,
And
what
it is
fun it
very
is to
moist,
ride in a
as you can
one-horse
see.
open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse
So
open
this is the
sleigh.
recipe, guys, for my Jamaican Christmas cake. And as you can see, it's still very moist. It's a very moist cake and it's beautiful. So I hope you can enjoy this recipe with your family. And I just want to say have a Merry